race that guy for sure.
Wait, which guy? What's that? The Charger?
The Dodge, yeah. Charger.
Okay.
He got some work done.
Does he? Alright.
I wonder if I'll get to race him.
Let's see, we got the ones lined up.
Look at this guy.
This guy's over. You might race this guy, eh?
I'm racing him.
No way. Oh no, get out of here. This
all muscle race. Oh.
Perfect. We're good, we're good, we're good.
I'm just gonna give her. I'm not gonna do the roll.
What? You're just gonna go?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm gonna give him a chance.
Okay. Alright, put the helmet on. Put my glasses in here. Helmet time. Alright, we're just waiting here. I believe in you, man.
He's gonna lift that in the air. That's what he's gonna do.
There you go. Alright. Who we got? Roll racing, baby. That was dope.
Yeah.
Autumn.
Perfect. Thank you. Go again or what?
Yeah, might as well. Viper boy. Alright. And so yeah. Oh man. We're going again, we're going again, we're going again. Who are we gonna line up with this time? I don't know. Open meat, like Greg likes it.
First ones to show up, Greg, was trucks. Well, it was us first. Us first. And then probably about 50 fucking trucks.
There we go, we're lining up again. Yeah, might as well. Do we even need a helmet? Oh, look at that boy. Oh, my hair's all messed up. Just gotta regel it. Alright, who we line? Oh, this guy, the Porsche. This boy.
I'm not even giving him a chance. I'm just gonna fucking get
No? Alright. Live at the strip. Oh. Someone broke down at the track. So hold on, who did you go up to against today? You went like against a Hellcat. That was pretty close.
Two Hellcats.
Two Hellcats. What else?
Some import car.
Yeah. Oh, right.
A Honda. Oh, it's just a
There's the Honda. What else? course you do.
Quarter mile doesn't matter. I know, but it tells you how fast you're getting there. So if your speed is high, you're getting there fast. Yeah, yours is like 8. No, I did 96. 96? Mine is like 10.3. Hey, you're faster.
Good. Dude, that was good. That was a good run, man.
Oh yeah.
What time did you get? Let's read it. What you got? Okay. 13 seconds.
Not bad.
18 seconds.
Yeah.
What'd you say?
What's up, homie?
Hey, buddy.
Oh, what's going on? How was that?
Awesome. Adrenaline's a great drug.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's awesome, yeah.
I got it. I
enjoyed it. I didn't know if he if he was going to do the proper 60 then go, or if he was going to go. So I hit it, but then I let her off to go to 60, and then he did the same thing. I was like, all right.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So it's 60, and then as soon as you get to the green light, you give it.
Yeah.
Chrysler 300. Against some Itsy Bitsy Lancer sort of thingy be bob. And let's see here what it's gonna be. Eventually. Yeah. 99 and 107.
Cody.
DRS.
Good job. He won his first race.